Hello guys, welcome back to Chubby Chemistry Study. So I'm sure you were just going through YouTube and be like, Omo, I need like Jamb online tutorial. How do I get a serious Jamb online tutorial? Okay, calm down guys. But if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Okay, so if you intend writing Jamb or taking Jamb in 2024, calm down, this video is for you. Okay, so like I said in my previous video, as a jam bite, there is one thing, like the first thing you need to have in mind. I know you guys don't like long stories. You don't like long stories, so I'll cut everything short. So as a jam bite, the first thing you need to have in mind is there is nothing like jam runs. If maybe you are intending to maybe pay someone for jam runs or more, just not say they go scam you. So like I said earlier, if you intend passing your jam, and also in my previous video, if you have not watched the video, just go watch the video right now. So in the video I said there's difference between passing your jam and getting your desired jam score. So passing your jam means getting from 200 upward. So for instance, now if you intend getting into medicine, so you should be targeting between 280 and 300. So that's getting your desired score. So jam is not all about studying. If you go study the whole new school physics or the whole Idodube college biology or the whole Ababio chemistry Ababio, and you go still fail. JAMB is all about studying smart, and that's why I'm here to help you. So if you are searching for maybe online JAMB tutorial to join, for the past 2 years I've been teaching JAMB students, and by God's grace, for 2021, two of my students got admitted into nursing. Then last year, some of my students got into other medical courses, but nobody got into medicine because most of them got between 270, 275, 280. Yeah, nobody got 300. So yeah, so for you to get into medicine, medicine is like the most competitive course in university. So you have to study smart, not even studying hard. You need to study smart. So that's why I'm here for you guys. So if you intend get writing jam and also getting into university in 2024 and you're searching for online tutorial, I'm here for you. But this year I won't be taking jam tutorial because actually teaching and also facing my own studies affected my GPA last semester. So that's why I said I won't be teaching this year. But if you are interested in joining a JAM tutorial, just click the link in the description. Just click the link. Then I will direct you to someone to me. I will single-handedly carry you to a particular JAM online tutorial where you will join. And also, if you're an art student or maybe science student, you are good to go. Like they teach both science and art, so you don't have anything to worry about. So just stay tuned for my next video. Like I said earlier, I'll be the one to be telling you what to do and what not to do as you are preparing for your jam. I love you guys. To your boy, Chubi.